Hello guys, today I will give you see the one friend.
咁我都係煮飯啫，因為其實好坦白講咧，你嗰啲新餐全部都係我幫你出嚟嘅咁多年嚟。不過唔緊要啦，個問題係我會盡快打翻條。去到大概4月左右，我想獲咗我爸爸更多嘅信任，佢仲 send 咗一張
Hello guys, today I don't know I did macaron you see.
校員工可以得信任嘅原因嚟嘅，咁你再幫下我啦，我有計錯數啊，今次有啲對面率啊有計錯啊，又要俾人罰利息啊。我冇留意到啦，佢一路用港紙計，我唔記得咗佢人仔啊，所以我冇留意到。唉，我而家瞓唔到啊，我都好煩啊！而家如果咧搞唔到呢一壇嘢咧，跟住咧我連之前嗰啲即係變咗可能客訂嗰啲錢咧都冇晒，咁我仲驚。我4月30都放咗假咧，我點都死都要死上去㗎，咁所以就睇下你嗰邊係可唔可以幫到我啦？嗰條數咧就應該係28嘅，咁你又方便到幾多？我真係好緊迫啦！如果唔係我真係真係好大鑊呢壇嘢。今日方唔方便幫埋我打埋佢啊？爸爸咧真係同佢咧談唔上係朋友嘅關係㗎，真係只係一個銀行職員
I will give you nothing free. I finished to take. Guys, look. Gucci, guys. My house is so itchy. Guys. This because I insurance, so I don't know what happened. Oh.
每一次咧都係佢叫爸爸落銀行啦，咁然之後佢
Can you
個
see
櫃
that
台度
means?
做提款嘅手續。
Wait! I'm free to cook away, guys.
呢件事簡直係匪夷所思啦！直情係自編自導自演不留痕跡。如果呢件事係可以咁樣發生，即係話
Tomorrow I need to go to
佢都唔想俾人知道咯，同埋應該係違規，係違反咗佢嘅操守。如果呢件事係光明正大，點會咁詭異地響出邊交收咧？好明顯係一個局咯。
佢再發現經理林小姐曾經喺非辦公時間 check 爸爸嘅戶口。
曾經有一次嘅提款咧，係佢朝頭早咧就俾咗2張銀行嘅內部文件，係響銀行開門之前印出嚟嘅。佢就想去查我爸爸一啲外幣存款嘅戶口。其實我爸爸嗰個現金戶口已經冇晒錢。